What's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Kaiser, right here, and we back with Math with Mr. Kaiser. Alright, so today, guys, I got a little something special. We're gonna be doing 2 lessons in one video. Alright? So our first lesson right now is the zero exponent law. Because we still gonna be continuing on the law of exponents. So our definition is any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Very simple. All right, let's go to our problems. So first, number 1, we got 7 to the 0 power. By definition, once again, any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So our answer for number 1 is 1. Simple. Number 2, 11 to the 0 power. Once again, is 1. Number 3, 100 to the 0 power. 1. Number 4, 2 to the 0 power. 1. And last but not least, number 5 is 1. And that is it for the zero exponent law. No, if you want me to explain how we always got 1, so let's work with number 1 right quick. So we got 7 to the 0 power, right? Remember, 7 to the first power equals the 7. If you want to find 7 to the 0 power, it's basically 7 to the first power divided by 7, which is 7 divided by 7 equals 1. That's a further explanation with that, okay? So is everybody good with zero exponent law? All right, that's good to go. So our second lesson, let's look over here. It is the power of a power rule. By definition, if a power is being raised to another power, you multiply the exponents and you keep the same base. So basically, in other words, if you have a base and an exponent inside of parentheses, and you have another exponent to the outside of the parentheses, you just gotta multiply the base. That's basically all you do. All right, so let's get straight to the examples. Hold on for a minute. Let me change my color right quick. All right, cool. We good. All right, so number 1, we got in parentheses 2 to the 3rd power being raised to the 2nd power. All right, let me break it down to you in a couple ways. So if we do extended, it's 2 to the 3rd power times 2 to the 3rd power, right? Since you got 2 of those. And remember, by the product rule, you keep the same base and you just add these 2 together. You can either do that method or just multiply. Wait, let me change the color for a bit. Let me change the color. All right. Excuse me. Or just multiply. So remember, 3 times 2 equals to 6. Right? But remember, and we're going to keep our base. So our answer for number 1 is 2 to the 6th power. All right? Try number 2. So we got 4 to the 5th power raised to the 3rd power. All right, once again, let's multiply the exponents. All right. So let's keep the base. So our base is 4, and 5 times 3 equals to 15. So our answer for number 2 is 4 to the 15th power. All right. Last but not least, number 3. So we got 10 to the 6th power raised to the 4th power. All right. Got 10 to the 6 times 4, 10. So 6 times 4 is 24. Okay. So our answer for number 3 is 10 to the 24th power. All right. If you want the expanded form, I will show you the expanded form as well too. Okay, 2, 3, and 4. And remember this expanded form right here. Since we have it in expanded form, you're gonna use the product rule if it's in expanded form. Okay. So it would still be the same thing, 10 to the 24th power. So, all right, guys, it was two quick lessons, but hey, I hope you learned something from this. I hope you take away something. All right. Mr. Kaiser is out, and I will see you later.